Well, hi there, everyone. I'm Bo Zimmer from Tampa International Airport, and today we are getting our very first look at the inside of our Airside D entry area. This is where the new shuttle station is being constructed right now that will eventually lead out to our brand new 16-gate international and domestic Airside D. And this whole area will also connect to our new red express curbsides, which will be opening in the coming months. So if you walk straight that way, on the other side of that wall is our main terminal and our food court. So just to give you an idea, but around this corner, we are so excited because today begins the installation of one of our newest pieces of art. And I wanted to introduce you to Kelly Figley, our manager in our marketing and communications department, and she oversees our public art program. Kelly, this is something that you've been working on for years now, and I imagine you're very excited to see this day finally here.
Bo, we are so excited to have this day finally here. As you said, this has been in the works for maybe 5 years planning, and I'm so grateful to the entire team that has been working on this. Not only authority employees, but then the people that are constructing this building have really been such tremendous collaborators and working with Claudia and her team to make this happen. I'm really so grateful to the entire group.
And this is going to be a very special piece of art as people come in either from Airside D or heading out to an international flight, or for those coming in from our Red Express curbs.
You're exactly right, Bo. This is going to be a high traffic area and people are going to be drawn to these starfish and this fantastic wall painting. It's really an exciting location, and it's going to be a fantastic destination for people to come and see.
Well, we are so excited because we have Claudia Comte, the artist who is here today, who created and envisioned this whole work of art. A lot of time and effort has gone in, but you're just beginning now, because the hard work really begins now as you get ready to install it here at the airport over the coming days and weeks to come.
Yes, exactly. So I'm so excited to be here. As Kelly was saying, we are in close connection now since even more than 5 years actually, and so it's incredible for me to imagine, all the ideas have been imagined in Switzerland. Now I'm here in Tampa. The sculptures, 3 really big marble starfish are coming from Italy, from Carrera. They have been carved out of the mountains. It's incredible to imagine, but a few millions of years old, and we have the wall painting that we are starting now behind me. That is this very vibrant black and white pattern that represents, as the title is giving, the dancing algae. And so optically I think it's going to be very strong, and also as an experience I'm hoping for the passerby, for the visitors, the people of the airport, to really experience some kind of stillness with the starfish and movement with the wall painting.
We are so excited as this process gets underway to see how this all turns out, and another sure place where people are going to come and want to get a selfie. It'll be a really magical spot and add to the already tremendous experience here at Tampa International Airport. We'll keep you updated on the progress. I'm Bo. Have a great day.